Great is thy faithfulness, O Lord my Father. There is no shadow of turning with thee. Thou changest not, thy compassion, they fail not. Great thou hast been, thou forever will be. Great is thy faithfulness. Great is thy faithfulness. Morning by morning, your mercies I see. All I love thee, that thine hands have provided. Great is thy faithfulness. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Ecclesiastes chapter 9, verse 11. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me.